Relative strength index. So the relative strength index is a very common technical indicator. So most people, they normally use the relative strength index. So we want to explore some of the unique functions of the relative strength index. So the common uses of the relative strength index, one, it can be used to show chart formations. For example, you can see clearly maybe triangles, maybe chart patterns, for example, the head and shoulders. And you can also be able to see wedge patterns, all those chart patterns. The relative strength index can also be used to show these chart patterns. We also have support and resistance. Sometimes it can be more clearer to identify levels of support and resistance using the what the RSI. And in my previous videos, I talked much about divergence. The relative strength index can also be used to what? To show divergences. Maybe there is a possibility of a trend reversal. The relative strength index can also be used to do that. But in today's video, we want to look at a unique function, one of the best uses of what? The RSI, which is the RSI can also be used to what? To show the trend direction. Most people do not know this. So when using the RSI to show the trend direction, you can pick a period of your own of your choice. For example, you can use 14, but in my case, I'm going to be using period 50. So when so you remove the other default values, for example, the levels for the relative strength index. In most cases, there will be level 70 and level 30. So you're gonna remove that and only put level 50. So when you have a straight line on your relative strength index, so how are you going to use this the relative strength index? You wait for the relative strength index to cross below the what? The 50 level. When it crosses below the 50 level, it's a signal that you're now in a downtrend. We can see from the chart that when the RSI was below 50, the market was moving downwards. Then when it crosses above 50 level, you will know that you're now in an uptrend. And then you can see from the chart the price was moving up when the RSI was above 50 level. So this is a very unique but very profitable and powerful use or function of the relative strength index. So let's quickly look at examples. So so what we said is this. So you wait for the RSI to cross above level 50. So this is our RSI, and we're going to be using RSI with a period of 50, and we're waiting for the RSI to cross above 50 level, and we are going to buy because that's the point where we'll be having an uptrend. And if you can check, when the RSI was above 50, the market was moving up. So this is an example where we'll be buying using this strategy. So let's look for another example where we're going to be selling using this strategy. So one, we wait for the RSI to cross below the 50 level at this point, and we are going to sell because during that period the market was moving down. You can see whenever the RSI was below 50, the market moved down for a very long time. So basically this is the strategy that we are talking about. So I decided to create what I call the RSI EMA. So with the RSI EMA, let me click it and you can see it. So this is what I created. So with the RSI EMA, it will change color. It will change color once the price moves below level 50. So you can see here it was blue. Then when it crossed when it crossed below 50, then it changed color into red. So during this period, that's the point where you'll be selling using this indicator. And you can see whenever the market is in a downtrend, the RSI EMA will be changing color. It will be red. When it goes up at this point, it will be blue. So basically this is how it works. So it's very important if you really want to know the trend. When are you going to buy? When are you going to sell? So it makes it easy to use this indicator. So let's check the other features. So with this indicator 1, you also have an option. The good part of having such an indicator is that you have an option to choose the RSI period that you want, and you also have an option to choose the exponential moving average period, the EMA period that you also want. So it is a very good indicator, and also you have the opportunity to also set notifications, for example push notifications, and there's also an option where you can choose to also use audible alerts, and it also has an option to also send notifications on your email. So it's a very powerful and useful indicator. So I created this, and this indicator I'm gonna be selling it for $10. Only $10 you can get this indicator. So it gives you notifications, audible alerts. It can send a message on your phone so that you'll be notified whenever there is a downtrend. So it's a very, very powerful and useful tool that you can have. It's only $10 US. Use the details in the description to get my contact, and you can get this RSI EMA. If you're subscribing to my channel, is free, and you might be asking yourself, why should I subscribe to your channel? Each and every week I share at least 2 videos on strategies, and on a daily basis I'll be sharing some short videos where I'll be sharing with you guys trading strategies, where I'll be also sharing results and also taking some live trades. And I also create I also create indicators, and also trading robots, which sometimes I give for free. So if you are free to join my Telegram group and my WhatsApp group, where I'll be sharing some of these free tools which can help you to be more profitable when trading synthetic indices. So please kindly like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that you can get all these benefits of subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye for now.